Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how to create a video ad in Facebook Business Manager. Last video talked about the audience targeting, so in this video we're going to show you how to set up the proper way to set up a video ad. So once you're in your Business Manager, you just come here, top left corner, choose Ads Manager, click on that. It'll bring you to this section. I'm going to just basically walk you through it with an ad I already did. But basically you would click create. If you're creating an ad, you would click the green button right there, and you just want to name everything. Make sure you click here and choose create new ad campaign. Click on that arrow. Just give it a name. If it's a product or service, you should name it after that product or service. So you would type the campaign name. Same thing, choose create new ad set. Give it a name right here in this box. Just scroll down. Same thing, create new ad, just give it a name. Name it after that product or service. Whatever, if you're promoting a brand, put that there. Then click save to draft. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to show you one I already have set up. So, hold on, god damn it. Let me just go back like that then. Click cancel. Okay, so once you click save the draft, it'll bring you to this section. This is this first slot to the left. That's your campaign where you see the folder. The second slot where you see these 4 squares. That's where you do your audience targeting. The people you want to see your ad. The third slot is pretty much the ad, your ad creative, which I'm about to show you. So you click on that third slot right there. This screen will open up. You should see the name of your ad right here. If it doesn't have a name, you can type a name in there. Of course, you want to use, Digital Marketing Rise. That's the name of the Facebook business page that my business manager is attached to. So, I like to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. So, same thing down here in this second box. You would choose your the same business page, your Instagram business page. This is my Digital Marketing Rise Instagram page. You want to run an ad on Instagram and Facebook. Basically that's where everyone is. That's who's going to see your ad. So just make sure you select the same business page for that section. As you scroll down, you got 3 choices. Single image or video, which this one is a video. I'll show you how to set that up. Or if you just want your ad to be a single image, you would check that. If you want a carousel, you click this second one, which is basically, it's like a slideshow. You just upload a couple of images and then it plays like a slideshow. But they call it a carousel. Then you got the third choice. A collection is a group of items that opens up in a full screen mobile experience. We're just going to choose the first one, which is video. And over here it shows you the preview. I'll show you how to set up the video, but see this to the right, this blue highlighted box. That would be your Facebook newsfeed preview, showing you what it would look like. Here it is right here too. Then if you click on the Instagram, if you click on that, it'll show you how the Instagram preview would look. It's not showing it in this one, but that's okay. As you scroll down, here's where you add your media. You can create a video, upload pictures and create a slideshow, which is right there. I'm going to show you add media. Here, you just click add media, click add image or add video, and you come here to click upload button at the top of the menu. And of course you could just choose a video from your computer file. You click on it, then click open. I'm not going to do that right now. I already got the video, but once you click open, the video would pop up, which you see right here. The video would pop up right there. Or if it's an image, the image would pop up. So here, as we scroll down a little more, got your primary text, headline, and description. The primary text is always what you see at the top of the ad. In my opinion, that's the most important section. when they scroll down, this is what they gonna see. So, you know, whatever text is there, it's got to catch their attention. You know, your ad copy is real important right there. You know, so that would be the primary section. You see, it says social media reinvented, world's first live engagement post creator. This is an app where you can do video animations and create animations for your posts. So the headline would go to the bottom. Let's see. Click this second bar to slide down. See, it says stuck with boring posts and ads, problem solve, get real followers and consistent sales, which you see right there, right below the video. That's where your headline will be. So the description is, if they click on it, they can read the description. So you just want to describe your product and service right there. Here is where the link, when they click on the link, you have to choose, you want them to go to a website or a Facebook event. If it's a landing page or whatever, opt-in page or website, you would choose website for all of that. And of course, you put the website URL here. This was an affiliate offer, so I got my affiliate link. You put that right there where it says a website URL. The display link you don't have to use, but like if it's your company or your product, you could type that in the display link and it'll show up in the ad. It'll display your brand name or whatever you type there. So also, if you click preview, like right here, this blue button right here, click preview, it'll take you to the link, which here is this software that I was promoting pretty much. We're gonna close out of that, but so as we scroll down, of course, your call to action. This is what you want the person to do once they see the ad. Click on that. You got different choices. You could put shop now if you're selling the product. If you want them to subscribe to your email list for an email newsletter, you choose that. They got apply now. They got book now. If you want a strategy call, you want them to book a call, whatever you're trying to get clients. Watch more if you're trying to get video views. It's all right here. So pretty much that's your call to action. You just choose what you want. If you click on add languages, you could do translations for other languages. I don't mess with that, but that's another option that Facebook offers you. And here's your Facebook Pixel, just basically just tracks your conversions, tracks what they do on your website. Once they click on the link, they go to your website. You could track if they click the add to cart button to buy something, click the proceed to check out, whatever. If they click on the subscribe button to subscribe to your newsletter, the Pixel will track all that, so you can see what your website visitors are doing. So you always want to make sure you have that Pixel set up. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we scroll down. Actually, that's it. Pretty much. I'll just show you if you want to create a slideshow. Just click on that. You got a choice: square, video, vertical. Square is pretty much what's best. Right here, then you got to choose a template. You look at these different templates. It says 2 to 5 images. Click that, then come to the bottom right corner, click continue. And you can click here, select your logo, click here, select images, just click on the different scenes, and upload your images. And pretty much, when you click the play button, it'll show you the slideshow with your images. I'm not going to do it, but it's pretty much as self-explanatory. You could add a text headline, but we're going to get out of this real quick. Can I move this up? So pretty much, yeah, that's it. As far as setting up your video ad, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell. More videos I'm going to be bringing to you on marketing, how to set up YouTube, also some e-commerce videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, share the video, need them likes and all that. But yeah, and yeah, look out for the next video.